So, ayan guys. We are in the Republic Reserve Car Show this morning. It's Saturday and it's so nice weather guys. And there's some train too. Hanggang doon pa yan sa dulo guys. So dito lang lakad-lakad lang tayo. Ayan, left and right yan guys. Ayan. And may singer pa dito. Nandun pa sa likod guys. And there's the registration there. One of her friend there, Lane. Siya sa slingshot. Ayan. Saka doon pa guys. Nandoon pa yung mga car dyan guys. Hanggang pa doon sa dulo guys. Ayan guys. Doon sa loob. Hanggang pa rin doon sa dulong dulo guys. Saka may food truck pa sila. Yan yung mga food truck. Ayan. So, thank you for watching guys.